So 2015 to 2017, probably the ones that has the small 4-inch screen. That's a regular bezel that comes with it. So for the people who want to do, full send, all you gotta do is basically just trim down so it could fit in the actual radio itself system. It will not damage the AC controls, the flashers and sport mode and everything. It's not gonna affect it. And so basically just follow through. Be careful with the extra stuff. Just cut it. Screw in the new stereo. Make sure when you're placing the actual motherboard, be very careful with the pieces. I had to trim this also as well. The AC, make sure it is, you could turn freely before you completely finish, as I found out right now. Make sure the actual AC unit turns. So there's no need to remove any extra stuff, no extra cutting. For the actual reverse video, you are gonna need this specific plug if it's like a 2015 2016 model with the 4-inch. If you have the premium, the 8-inch, or newer, this plug is gonna be different. You're gonna need a different plug. But this is the plug. After that, on the back of the CD changer, yes, CD changer, on the back of it, all you gotta do is with the supply wiring that they bring, you disconnect it from the back, connect it to the harness, and the harness connects to this, and this connects to the wiring harness with a combust box. You do need the combust box. Unfortunately, you can just wing it, and basically, to the actual radio. Don't worry about these. This is key 1, key 2, and what is this? Out antenna. Yeah, you don't really need to worry about those. However, I did notice that the actual radio does not have actual radio input plug. I had a spare one. It goes here. There is I gotta find out where I could connect it. I could try to get a plug that goes directly to it, but if you don't care about the radio, then you don't have to worry about this. Okay, after putting everything back on, everything is working as it should. Even the volume still works. Tune, not exactly. AC still works. However, the menu protocol things, I already tried it. It's not coming up, so we're not gonna mess with that. That's the only unfortunate thing every time we use the AC controls for the meantime, until we find out what to do with it. But it doesn't affect anything else. It displays once the doors are open, the trunk, everything else is open.